Namaste. I'm Ezichiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. How does quantum orgonite affect the immune system? Let's talk about that. First of all, if you're new here, this is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. This is a channel all about esoteric science, spirit science, lightworker strategies. If that's what you're into, make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. So now, this is quantum orgonite. And when one wears quantum orgonite, it is a return of energy. Not only does it collect energy and infuse it into your aura, but it also gains energy from your aura, sends it around the crystal and returns it back into your aura. So in this way, you are connected with the crystal more directly. But here is the most important thing. The crystal, the frequency of the crystal, entrains your consciousness. So slowly, little by little, your darkness, your negativity begins to fade and you become brighter. Your vibration rises. When your vibration rises, your sense of peace and serenity rises. Your cortisol levels decrease, meaning you feel less stressed. If you feel less stressed, your immune system returns to its normal state. And as it does so, diseases that may have affected you cannot, because your immune system is so high. Energies that would have brought you down cannot reach you because your aura is entrained by the crystal. And as you achieve the energy level of the crystal, you will find not only are you more resistant to disease, you are also at a higher energy state, a higher energy level. You're able to perceive things on a higher level because you're less stressed out, less distracted by those negative elements. So, if this is something that you're into, type clarity in the comments. Type clarity if you see what I mean. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe right now. Ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. It will help the channel in the algorithm and help someone you don't even know. So, if you want to acquire quantum orgonite, use the link in the description. And if you want to get with me on social media, use that link. There's several links in the description. You can also join the Facebook group. That link's in the description. If you just want to donate to the Golden Circle Movement channel, that will help us with production values. And we'll raise our production values higher and higher. So, make sure you participate on any level. Thank you so much. Namaste.